In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Nordvpn on your smart TV. An increasing number of people are turning to VPNs, not just for security, but also for accessing content that's geographically restricted. So, whether you're trying to safeguard your privacy or want to stream a show that's only available in another country, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get your smart TV set up with Nordvpn in just 5 minutes. First, you're going to want to navigate to their download page. To do this, open your web browser and go to the Nordvpn website. The direct link will take you straight to the free VPN download section. Getting there quickly can save some time, so bookmarking it might be a good idea if you plan on revisiting in the future. Once you're on their homepage, look for the option to log in. It's generally found at the top right corner. Click on Login and enter your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, this is the moment to do so. An active Nordvpn subscription is required to proceed, so make sure that step is completed. With your account ready, the next thing is to download Nordvpn itself. Heading to the download section is straightforward. Once logged in, you'll see a tab or an option indicating Download Nordvpn. Click on this to proceed. It's designed to be quite user-friendly, so it should be a smooth process. As we narrow down to the specific setup for smart TVs, you'll need to find the option that refers to VPN solution for smart TV. This section is tailored to different types of televisions, ensuring compatibility and ease of operation. Selecting this will lead you directly to the tools and files necessary for your TV. And finally, you'll want to select Android TV. This choice applies to the majority of smart TVs, as they tend to operate on the Android system. There should be a prompt or button indicating Android TV in the list of options. Click on it, and the download should begin promptly. Follow any remaining on-screen instructions to complete the installation on your smart TV. Before we wrap up, a helpful tip. Make sure your smart TV has sufficient storage space for the app to function optimally. Some older models may require a bit of free space management for new apps to run smoothly. Well, there you have it. You've successfully installed Nordvpn on your smart TV, enabling you to enjoy a wider variety of content with improved privacy. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech guides.